Hello there, and welcome to the Instituto Tecnológico de Chetumal, where we strive to meet all your educational needs to the best of our capacity. Now, for today, we'll be showing you all the installations that will guide you in your civil engineering course. So, if you please could follow me, we'll be heading to the library. Hi there. So, like I said, the first installation is the library. The library offers a diverse set of books for your learning. It also serves for a wide variety of research that you need to do, as like for this book is a lot of information for civil engineering research. And you can also come and do like any other software or any other work that you think that you can do out there. Feel free to come to the library. But make sure to be very quiet since the library obviously has some rules. So now that you've seen the library, let's move over to the computer lab. And now we've reached the computer lab. So for the computer lab, we have a wide variety of sets of computers. We have, as you can see, all of these computers just for all the students that are in a class to be able to use programs and their softwares. Now, specifically for civil engineering, well, for this lab, or at least this room, we don't have them, but there is another room that has them. Right now, we don't have access to that room, but in that room, they also have gaming laptops. These gaming laptops have the highest quality graphics so that you can install Revit, AutoCAD, CivilCAD, and any other software that will aid you in your civil engineering course. Now, since they are very high quality, they give you better graphics and overall better running and animation for those computers. Now, as you can see, the room is packed with air conditioning. It is packed with a projector for showing everything that needs to be seen, and a widescreen to obviously project the thing. So overall, this is the computer lab, and we'll be moving on to the classrooms now that you'll be sitting down.
Sin City wasn't made for you.
So now we reach the classrooms. The classrooms have, like always, a lot of chairs for all the students that are being accommodated for the specific class. We have air conditioning, and we have a whiteboard so the teacher can write all of the needed information for us to copy. We also have a chair right here for the teacher, and well, overall this is specifically where you're going to be doing most of your work. Think of it as another place or another home for you. So overall, this is what your classroom will look like. So now we can proceed to the lab for specific civil engineering tasks. And our final destination is the civil engineering garage, or as you would like to know, a civil engineering lab. So for this place, we have a lot of mechanisms and machines that help us to either mix concrete, like the concrete mixer, or measure PSI for different types of loads or other things that we need. Now, as you can see, some of these are some of the equipment that we use, some of the materials that are used as well, all scattered over around. And well, as of now, I haven't yet to have come and done some research here because, as you may know, I just got in this course. But as we go along, they'll be teaching us way more things that we need to know and preparing you for your future endeavors. Now, this has been all. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.